Hi everybody, this is Paul from WNC for Change, and we're making this little video just to give you an update as to what's going on. The first thing is healthcare. Healthcare is in Congress right now. It's being debated upon. It's in the Senate, and there was a tri-committee House discussion bill that was released last week, which had some very good points in it. And it is up to you now. It is up to you to contact our Congress people, Representative Schuler and our senators here in North Carolina, as well as the White House and as well as some of the other committee members. We're asking you to contact them every day. We want you to, number one, send a fax. Send a fax to each of their fax numbers and their offices. Second, to call them for 10 minutes at each office. So for example, Congressman Schuler has an office here in Asheville, has an office in Silva and in DC. We'd like for you to call each one of those. And then thirdly and fourth, we'd like for you to send an email, and if you can, to write a handwritten letter and send it by snail mail. The reason for this, and the reason why we're just going to be continuing this as much as possible, and we want you to do it every day, is because their offices receive tons of calls who are against the idea of a public health care option, who are against health care reform, who really just want to see more of the same that's out there right now, the same old broken unsustainable system that we have. So part of our thing is we need to be proactive towards new legislation and contact our congresspeople before it comes out and gets passed, and then we call the complaint about it later. So please go and call each of your congresspeople today, tomorrow, the day after, until we get this thing done. If you need more information, you can go to WNCForChange.com and find all the phone numbers and contact info there. This Saturday, it's our healthcare rally in downtown Asheville, Pritchard Park. It's Saturday, June 27th, 10 a.m. In downtown Asheville. We want you to come. We want you to bring all of your friends, your family, your healthcare professionals that work with you, your doctors, nurses. Give them a call, send them an email, and let them know about this event. We also have a petition that we're gathering signatures for, which will be delivered to Congressman Schuler in person, as well as copies sent to the White House, to Senators Hagan and Burr, and we want everybody to sign it. It basically states that we are for a single-payer option and single-payer healthcare system in this country eventually. We know that right now it may not have much of a chance of passing, but we are for it. We want to be discussing it so that in the future it'll be on the table and that everybody understands more about it. And then secondly, that we support a strong public option that delivers and gives a choice to all Americans. And we need your help to gather these signatures. You can go on this email and go online to WNCForChange.com and find links to download and print the petition. Print it out, take it down to your local coffee shop, your supermarket, or just go around to your friends and neighbors. Bring it in your car with you wherever you go and gather the signatures. When you gather these petitions, please bring them this Saturday to the rally. Come find me and just hand them over to me, and we'll make sure they all get delivered at once to Congressman Schuler. On our website, and in order to help promote this event for Saturday, we've got flyers for you to download, including a flyer for the event itself. So if you can, download and print them and put them up in your local coffee shops and supermarkets and wherever they'll let you do it. If you can, go down your street and just put one in every door. No mailboxes, please. There's also a mini flyer that says Contact Congress Today, and it's just a small little flyer that has the numbers for Congressman Schuler, Senators Hagan and Burr, and some points for them to call and contact Congress every day. So please pass that out as well. It's a nice little thing for people to have to remind them to keep on doing this and keep the pressure on. So download them, print them, and if you need some, I also have a bunch of copies at our little healthcare office inside Mountain Java Coffee Shop on Merriman Avenue. Do you know about our healthcare office? WNC for Change has created a small little healthcare office inside Mountain Java Coffee Shop. That's 870 Merriman Avenue, Asheville 28804. We're going to be open from Monday through Saturday, 2 to 8 p.m. We would love to have you there to come pick up information, to come pick up flyers, to sign our petition. if you haven't signed it yet, and to just help out, make some phone calls, and get the word out for our event and get the word out for healthcare reform. And that location, Mountain Java Coffee Shop, is 2 miles north of downtown Asheville on Merriman Avenue. It's on your left-hand side after you pass BB&T Bank. You'll see it on your left, and it's near the Ingalls. This Saturday, after the rally, we would love to all have lunch together at Earth Fair. So if you can, help us clean up at Pritchard Park, and then we'll all go over to Earth Fair. We've got some groups coming in from out of town, from nearby Yancey County, from Transylvania, Polk, and Haywood, and we'd love to all just get together and have lunch together. And then later that afternoon, we're asking people to meet at 3 p.m. at Earth Fair. This is the location at Westgate, and Congressman Schuler will meet us there for a short meeting. It's only about 30 minutes, and really the point of it is to deliver some of our materials and our agenda regarding healthcare reform. And it'll be just great to have as many people there to show in show of support of Congressman Schuler and in show of support of healthcare reform. So please join us. The picnic at Taylor Ranch, which is Congressman Schuler's fundraising picnic, which is held later that afternoon, we are canceling that event. They did call us and ask us to try to reschedule something, and so we have now, even better, a face-to-face meeting with Congressman Schuler.